Trinity Amo Leon. I am one of the doctors of Oriental Medicine at Community Acupuncture Albuquerque, and I just want to go through some of our COVID procedure changes, especially for current patients. One thing to be sure is check our hours and our current eligibility criteria on our website or on the door for the hours, because they do change frequently. Right now we're asking you don't bring anybody with you unless you need them to help, and leave your cell phone turned off. Go ahead and turn it off before you come in, and if you can wear a medical mask, that would be fantastic, and put your mask on before you come in. And coming in, and I'm going to show you the changes. So this is our COVID table. We have hand sanitizer, and we're asking you to take your own temperature now. So you can do that this way, right at your wrist. And if it's cold outside, it will show as low. If that's the case, try it right here below your jaw. Make sure there's no hair or mask in the way. And then you'll get a number. Read the number and write it down here. And sign and date. And check off all 5 boxes which ask about COVID symptoms and whether you've followed New Mexico guidelines. When you're done with that, put it in the completed paperwork box. If you need a mask, a medical style mask, we have some right here. You can go ahead and switch out if you have a cloth mask. This form, you will do it every time with the temperature and put it there. If you're returning for the first time, fill out also a COVID consent form. This is for our insurance. Once you're done with the COVID table, move over to the payment table. Bring your pen with you. And now we do not have personalized envelopes. We have just blank envelopes. So we ask you to fill out a payment slip each time. You will fill out your name, the date, the time, and the amount, and then check off cash, check number, or credit card. If you can write the check number in there, that will help us a lot. If you're paying by credit card, you turn it on the same way. Swipe to open, and either this will come up straight away, or you choose the white square app. Punch in the amount that you're going to pay, and then swipe your card. Whatever you do, do not touch the blue button there. Swipe your card after putting in the amount. Write everything down, put it in the envelope. Do not seal the envelope, and put it into the mailbox just like before. These are the shelves where you can use the lumbar pillows when you're done with them. Put them in there so we can sanitize them. There are eye shades here. You can take one of the cloths and again put it in the laundry when you're done. And there are cough drops, earplugs, and alcohol swabs if you need them. So then come on back. As you can see, we have the chairs about 8 feet apart with curtains in between. And we've got HEPA filters at each end of the clinic, which help filter out the little particles that COVID can hitch a ride on. You come in, you can choose any of the chairs that are empty. Make sure that the paper is not looking crumpled. We sanitize the chairs between each person. So if there's no paper, it's crumpled, don't sit on it. Put your personal belongings into the plastic box, and then sit down, and then take off your shoes and socks, scoot them under the chair, lift your pants up to just below your knees, and your sleeves above your elbows. So you can adjust the headrest by getting your hands under the peeper and pushing it up and down. Move your butt as far back into the chair as you can. Put your hands halfway along the arms, head back, and lean back like you mean business. And you can wait for the acupuncturist, and then they will come and take care of you.